Hello to everyone who is watching this video. Nivedita Joshi is here, and today for this video I have taken the topic cell cycle. Okay, this is the topic from the chapter number 10. Okay, this is the introductory, means first video of this chapter. So before that we should know what goes on, means in what way the changes goes on in a cell. See, if we start from the cell division, so after the cell division, the cell that grows and just becomes very rich in the nutrient content. Okay, and it grows, and after that again it just gets ready for the cell division. Okay, so we will study whole this process in different stages. So each and every organism begins its life from single cell, this we know, and then this when this grows and it forms the large organism. So all living cells grows in size and reproduce by dividing. Cell reproduction means cell division. Okay, so when the cell divides into two daughter cells, that is each parental cell divides and give rise to two daughter cells each time it divides. Okay, जितने बार भी ये divide होगी, it will give rise to two cells. Okay, and therefore such cycle of growth and division allows a single cell to form a structure that consists of millions of cells. मतलब एक सेल से शुरू होती है और धीरे 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 कर कर millions of cells हो जाती है. Okay, so the development of multicellular organism that starts from the unicellular zygote. Okay, and this is achieved by the process of cell division. So cell division, this is very essential process in all living organisms, and the mode of cell division is fundamentally similar in all organisms. And during this process of division of a cell, the processes like DNA replication and cell growth, it must occur in a sequential and coordinated manner. Okay, so cell cycle is an orderly sequence of events or a set of stages by which a cell duplicates its genome. Genome means उसके पास जितना भी genetic material है, that whole DNA. Synthesis the other constituents of the cell and eventually divides into two daughter cells. मतलब सेल को डिवाइड होने के पहले उसके पास जितना भी जीनोम जेनेटिक मटेरियल है उसका और सिंथेसिस होगा and that will get double. And in terms of cytoplasmic processes, cell growth is a continuous process while DNA synthesis occurs during a specific stage of the cell cycle only. The this means सेल ग्रोथ तो होती ही रहेगी, पर जो डीएनए की सिंथेसिस है वो एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेज में ही होगी. Here in this diagram you can see the different stages. एक सेल की सेल साइकिल में जो डिफरेंट स्टेजेस है वो कितने टाइम के लिए हुआ करती है, कितने समय के लिए हुआ करती है. You can see over here a typical eukaryotic cell we are talking of. So it divides once in every 24 hours. Okay, and this duration of cell cycle can vary from an organism to organism and also from one type of cell to another. Okay, so we have the example, yeast cell progress through the cell cycle in only about 90 minutes. So you can see here different stages देख सकते हैं. अभी इन्हीं स्टेजेस को हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. दिस G1 स्टेज, S स्टेज. ओके, S दिख रहा है इंटरफेस का स्टेज जहां डीएनए सिंथेसिस लिखा है, सेल ग्रोथ, ओके, दैट इज G2। ये सारी स्टेजेस हमें दिखेंगी और उसके बाद है M फेज। तो इसमें हम G1, S और G2 पढ़ेंगे। ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट कमिंग वीडियो विल हैव द M phase. So the two phases of cell cycle, as I told you, one is interphase. So interphase, it is the period between the end of one cell division to the beginning of the next cell division. Okay, or you can define like that, it is the stage between two successive M phase. As no visible changes are observed at this stage, interphase is said to be resting stage. ये resting stage है. Okay, and during this phase cell prepares itself for both cell growth and DNA replication in orderly manner. So it is also known as preparation phase, and it lasts about for about that is means we can say it is 90%. Okay, 90% of the total duration of the cell cycle. Okay, तो हम इंटरफेस की डिफरेंट स्टेजेस को पढ़ेंगे, हम सब स्टेजेस को पढ़ेंगे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेज है G1, गैप फेज 1. Okay, and it corresponds to the duration between the mitosis and initiation of replication of DNA. So the cell becomes मतलब G1 में क्या होता है? Cell becomes metabolically active during this period. It grows continuously and prepares itself for DNA replication, क्योंकि इसके ठीक बाद की स्टेज जो होगी वो DNA synthesis होगी. ओके, तो इस स्टेज में DNA replication नहीं होता है, केवल DNA replication के लिए सेल अपने आप को तैयार करती है. अब ये स्टेज है सिंथेसिस फेज बी, जो सेकेंड स्टेज है. ओके, सो इट इज नोन टू बी द फेज इन विच एक्चुअल सिंथेसिस और रेप्लिकेशन, ये है रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ डीएनए इस स्टेज में हुआ करता है. मींस द ओवरऑल अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए डबल्स पर सेल, जितना होता है वो डबल हो जाता है. बट उसमें क्रोमोसोम नंबर उतने ही रहेंगे जितने थे. यदि वो 46 हैं तो 46 ही रहेंगे, बट उसका जो DNA अमाउंट है वो डबल हो जाएगा. ओके, विदाउट चेंजिंग द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. Like if the initial amount of DNA is 2C, then it will become 4C, right? G2, gap phase 2 में क्या होता है? This is also called post synthetic और pre mitotic phase. Interphase का ये लास्ट स्टेज है और माइटोसिस M phase के ठीक पहले आएगा. तो इसमें जो डीएनए की सिंथेसिस होती रहती थी इसके पहले तक, वो स्टॉप हो जाती है. ओके, एंड द ग्रोथ ऑफ सेल दैट विल कंटिन्यूड. ओके, एंड this time you can say the preparation for the cell division goes on. Repair of damaged DNA and duplication of mitochondria, centriole and plastid, this takes place during this phase, right? G0 phase, ये क्या होती है? Quiescent stage. This is known as the stage of inactivation of the cell cycle. Okay, cell in G0 phase remains metabolically active but do not proliferate. Proliferate means do not grow or differentiate. इस समय proliferate नहीं होती, मतलब ना तो grow कर रही है और ना ही differentiate हो रही है. Okay. And in adult animals, some cells like heart cells or nerve cells do not undergo division, and many other cells divide only occasionally to replace cells that have already been lost. Okay, maybe because of some injury or cell death. So after completing G2 phase, a cell may either enter into G0 phase or into the M phase directly. Okay, so the duration of G0 phase may vary from indefinitely long to very short, except the nerve, bone and heart cells of chordates that are in permanent G0 phase. ओके, तो दिस इज अबाउट, ये पूरा वीडियो जो था वो इंटरफेस के बारे में था। इंटरफेस जो सबसे लंबी फेज हुआ करती है पूरे सेल साइकिल में, लॉन्गेस्ट फेज है ये। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।